Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the Abaqus load over composite panel, which is made with silica glass as a first layer, aluminium plate second layer, and the CFRP as a composite back plate. And if I click on the contour plot shape, you can see under the 500 gram or half kilogram TNT that's happened. Let me click on animate to see the deformation and damage which happen in all the plates. See, all the plates failed. Now I will show you the damage. Here, this is the final. And now let me replace the silica glass. This is the silica glass, and the damage behavior here is this. It is failed completely. See that? Click on animate. See the damage. This is a brittle material. It is hard, but it is brittle material. And this is the full view. Let me check the view. ODB. Use this too to have the full view. And let me make this free edge to have a better view. See, this is XY view, this is the YX. The damage, plastic string. Let me click on animate again. It's a back view, and this is front view. It is failed completely. Now let me check the CFRP. This is CFRP, not the FRP. And this is CFRP. Also, it is failed. See here, the middle is failed completely. This is the stress. Let me check the compression for the fiber, tension for the fiber, damage compression for the matrix. Let me click on animate. See, this is the damage. Compression damage for the matrix, and then the tension damage. It is too much. Okay. Now let me replace the aluminium. The aluminium here, the aluminium also failed. See here, the element is removed here and here under this huge deformation. See the plastic string, and then see the Johnson Cook damage. This is the back view, this is the forward view or front view, and this is the damage happening in the aluminium. And this is the final view. Now replace all, and this is the full model under the glass load. You can check anything else like the diagrams, force displacement, energy, kinematic and internal energy, other parameters for the damage for all three parts. So if you need to model blast load over composite panel, also modeling the silica glass, aluminium with damage behavior, CFRP with damage behavior, you can provide this tutorial. And to do that, come to our website www.abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial. Here is the English tutorial. Click on the title. In this title, here you will have the geometry and assembly here. Then a step load interaction, mesh, anything, and then the result as the figures. You can see that. The cost for the CAIMP and English video file step by step is 30 euros. These are the original work, not like the other website. Make copy and then they don't answer you if you have any questions. But here we will have any questions if you have. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa or a MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. Also, in the recent year, we have published a full package of our website contains more than 400 tutorials. For more than 400 tutorials about all things in modeling and simulations. Here you can read the main titles, but it includes many subtitles also, like the explosion with all method, impact, welding, biomechanics, forming, cracks, soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, thermal structure analysis, pure thermal analysis, cyclic loading, masonry, DEM, SPH, pull-and test, composite material, concrete structure, steel, seismic, soil, electromagnetic, and many other tutorials. You can also provide this full package to be a master in modeling and simulation. If you need it also, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.